Good day, I'm Theodore Henry, and this is your JIS News for Friday, June 16, 2023. Jamaica is looking to strengthen relations with the Inter-American Development Bank (IDB) and the World Bank to stem poverty in the country. Prime Minister Andrew Holness met with the presidents of both financial institutions on Wednesday. He says that with the country now experiencing economic stability, the government is looking to leverage investment opportunities in partnership with the private sector. The finance minister is already coordinating plans in this regard.
Government has to be very deliberate and instrumental in structuring programs that will lift people out of poverty. And the World Bank and the IDB, you have incredible experience, knowledge, know-how, and of course the resources financially to assist us in crafting programs that will deal with poverty, the informational dimension, the income dimension, and the access to services and amenities.
Mr. Holness says support will also be sought from the IDB and the World Bank to reform the Program of Advancement through Health and Education, PATH.
We will call upon the tremendous resources and skills that you have, knowledge of executing such programs and reforming them and how to make them more meaningful.
Meanwhile, President of the World Bank, Ajay Banga, has given the bank's commitment to support Jamaica in 3 key areas. The first 2 are human capital development, targeting the education and health sectors, and the digitization of governance for efficient service delivery. The third area is economic resilience. Mr. Banga praised Jamaica for its ingenuity in implementing a catastrophe bond, which enables the country to get access to funding in the event of a major natural disaster. He signaled the bank's intention to partner with Jamaica in having such a buffer implemented in other countries. The World Bank also committed to infrastructural development in the areas of broadband and electricity connectivity.
In my opinion, if 5 years from today we can come and look back and say we picked a few things that we know worked well and we replicated them at scale across your country to the benefit of your people, then we would have done a terrific job.
Ground was broken on Thursday for a $119 million project to rehabilitate the natural bridge to Troja Road in northeastern St. Catherine.
This $119 million road rehabilitation project symbolizes our commitment to sustainable development and unwavering dedication to improving the lives of our citizens. We understand the frustration caused by dilapidated roads, traffic congestion, and hindrance they pose to economic development. Therefore, we have formulated an inclusive and ambitious plan to address these challenges head-on.
The project is being executed under the National Works Agency's Maintenance of Secondary Roads program. The 8-month contract covers 7 of the 10 kilometers along the stretch of road, but Minister Warmington says attention will also be given to the remaining 3 kilometers, given the impact of heavy rains experienced in the last 2 weeks.
I spoke to the parish manager who I asked to embark or prepare a scope of work. So from this section at below Airwood to the Yellow Bridge, that section will be addressed along with this current contract. Also, from the Yellow Bridge going to Riversdale, there are some very bad conditions there, and those also will be addressed.
The Ministry of Health and Wellness is expanding the island's voluntary blood donor program this year and looking to create more legacy donors through the National Blood Transfusion Service and partner organizations and individuals. Chief Medical Officer Dr. Jacqueline Bisesa McKenzie says the program will focus on young people 17 years and older across 20 high schools and 5 universities and teachers' colleges.
This with the aim of collecting over 600 units of blood and increasing the database of voluntary donors by at least 20 donors. We will be rolling out this initiative in the upcoming school year, so look out for it. And school administrators, if you're hearing us, they are welcome to contact the blood bank to join this school tour.
Dr. Bisesa McKenzie was speaking at the commissioning of a new mobile blood collection unit on World Blood Donor Day, June 14. She says the ministry will be identifying an additional 5 strategic blood collection sites and adding another mobile unit this fiscal year to make blood donation and collection more accessible. The units will be outfitted with 4 blood collection stations and will be manned by 7 staff members.
We invite organizations, institutions, and individuals, both private and public, to contact the blood bank, Mr. Allen, to request this service for your workplace, your school outreach, your community. The team at the blood bank will be more than happy to help you to organize your blood collection drive.
$10 million has already been allocated to the Portland Municipal Corporation to undertake a cleanup exercise and provide temporary shelter for butchers severely affected by a recent fire at the Musgrave Market. Minister of Local Government Desmond McKenzie says the necessary systems are being put in place to facilitate restoration of the market. Minister McKenzie was addressing this week's post-cabinet media briefing at Jamaica House. He also took the opportunity to address information being circulated about the future of the Musgrave Market.
Let me state categorically that no decision has been taken to divest the interests of the Musgrave Market to anybody. It is the property of the municipal corporation, and whatever repairs are going to be done, the funding will be provided by the Ministry of Local Government.
The local government minister says the market is insured and the insurers are doing their assessment. And finally, the finalists for the 2023 Jamaica Festival Song Competition have been expanded from 10 to 12. They were chosen from a batch of more than 200 entries, which represents a mix of seasoned practitioners and others.
Among the finalists is a 7-time festival song winner, Eric Donaldson. The other finalists include Juno Award winner, Juno Award, which is in Canada, Esco Levi, an artist named Hot Rod, 2 mentor groups, right? A mentor band and some mentor singers. It also includes a visually impaired female singer called Princess Black. It includes Anthony B.
The Culture Minister gave the update during her sectoral presentation in Parliament this week. The festival song winner will be selected through the public's vote after televised presentation, with the results show in July. Meanwhile, the fireworks display and drone show are set to return for this year's Grand Gala celebrations, which will also feature a tribute to the late Harry Belafonte.
The theme for our celebrations this year is Jamaica, Proud and Strong. The Grand Gala will be grand, and we continue to challenge ourselves to raise the bar each year.
And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Theodore Henry. Thanks for watching.